Are you looking to speed up your painting projects? My name is Kate with WTI, and this is the InoKraft MaXpray M1 Airless Paint Sprayer. It allows you to paint directly from your paint bucket, so I love this. So whether it's a 1-gallon paint can or a large 5-gallon bucket, you can dip your hose right into it and there's no need to thin your paint. The simplicity of this system is incredible. It makes it perfect for indoor or outdoor projects. The gun is on a swivel, so it makes it easy to maneuver, and it has a super long hose. I think it's 25 feet. It also comes with a 12-inch extension wand, so if you happen to be doing ceilings, you can have that. As a beginner and a DIYer, I appreciated how simple it was to use. They have video instructions, which is incredible, and they also have a quick start guide so that you can be super confident when you're first getting started. I am a disaster with everything I do. I make a giant mess, but this was really easy to clean up too. It even comes with an adapter to attach directly to your hose, so you can take it outside. The finish is unmatched. You cannot get this with a roller or a paintbrush. A spray finish looks so much more professional, and it really does speed up the process. So I honestly think that this sprayer is worth considering, and that's my point of view.